Friday, October 24th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. Now, I'm going to start off with a look at this Banner Elk web camera once again. It's telling a little bit of a different story there. Some of the mountain observations this morning. Banner Elk actually a good bit warmer at this point in time today than what we've had the past couple of days. It's been just below freezing at this juncture, 5:30 in the morning on Thursday and Wednesday mornings, but this morning at 48. Now, that's not the case everywhere across the mountains. Many spots still down into the 30s there in the high country this morning. Topton at 42, Cow Mountain at 38. 38 at the Davidson River site. Look at West Jefferson at 33, Blowing Rock at 37, the Avery County site at 34. And there still is a frost advisory up for a good number of mountain spots early this morning, including Asheville for some of those more protected, chillier areas there that are down and into the 30s, into that frost range this morning. Now, there's today's fall foliage photo of the day. That is from Avery County, U.S. Highway 221. That's again by Skip Sickler, sent to us by our friends at Grandfather Mountain. Still some nice color to enjoy up there in many mountain spots, especially the lower mountain elevations, the highest spots. Most of those beautiful fall leaves on the ground now, but still some nice color to enjoy, especially the lower mountain elevations. Yesterday had a beautiful day. Look at these highs. 69 degrees the high in Greensboro, 70 Raleigh and Charlotte, 72 in Columbia, 70 in Wilmington, 57 up in Boone, and I think similar highs on the way for today. Our temperatures, again, 5:30 this morning, 41 in Boone, Charlotte 42, 50 in Charleston, Myrtle Beach at 52, Cape Hatteras 58, 53 over in Greenville, South Carolina. And you notice here, as you look at the overall weather setup for today, no major storm systems close by, but we do have these high clouds streaming overhead. And we'll see those at times today. So a bit of a filtered quality to the sunshine here at times as we go through the day. Now, nothing on the radar locally, but there's still that area of low pressure off the northeast coast is causing some rain up there, especially this morning in parts of Maine over toward the Canadian Maritimes. Now, here's our setup today. Again, notice those high clouds overhead at times. That will, again, filter the sunshine a bit, but really a nice day. A lot of low 70s on the board for highs this afternoon. And then again, no changes here. Beautiful picture, perfect weather weekend, full sunshine basically all weekend long. Here's your Saturday highs, looking very, very nice across the region. And then even warmer on Sunday. Again, lots of sunshine out there for Sunday. Your Sunday highs pushing up into the mid and even some upper 70s in some spots. And then down into South Carolina, 82, your Sunday high in Columbia and Charleston. Early next week, we get this broad southwesterly flow way out ahead of our next cold front. So that's going to give us a warmer weather setup with plenty of sunshine for Monday and Tuesday. And certainly I think there's a good chance some North Carolina Piedmont spots make a run up to around 80 on Monday and Tuesday of next week. And then kind of a complicated weather setup for Wednesday and Thursday, and maybe one or two fronts begin to drop our way, and it looks like at least one, maybe two chances of some rain in there as we get toward the second half of next work week. Tropics, no longer do we have any classified systems out there. There's a view of the western Atlantic, the Gulf, and the western, or rather in the Caribbean Sea. Now, they're in the western Caribbean. That is where we have what was once Tropical Depression number 9 located. It's just kind of sitting down there in the western Caribbean Sea. And this is a region that, if you can get some type of remnant low pressure down in that region, it tends to brew tropical systems. And that's a possibility as we see what's left down there from Tropical Depression number 9. If it doesn't get completely swept out by an incoming cold front, then that could be something to keep an eye on for next week to see if anything tries to develop down that way. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. Everybody have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the great weather, and God bless.